How do you turn this into a proper architectural drawing that you can actually submit or print? Because right now it's just a model, not a professional sheet. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create sheets in Revit and print them like a real architect, even if you are a complete beginner. Hello, welcome to Noble Architects Consult. Is this your first time here? Make it official, tap the subscribe button, let's grow together and explore more ideas. Don't forget to turn on the notification so you don't miss out. Let's turn your model into a professional drawing set. Step 1. Find the sheet section. Go to your project browser. Scroll down until you see sheet. Here is it. If you don't have any sheet yet, don't worry, we are about to create your first one. Step 2. Create your first sheet. Click on sheet, right click, click on new sheet. Click on load. Now choose a title block from your library folder. You can use A3, A2 or A1 depending on the kind of project you are working on. Open. Click OK. Here's the sheet we just created. To create more, select the sheet, right click, new sheet. Select the title block you just imported. Click OK. Repeat the same process till you get your desired number of sheets. Select the sheet, right click, click on rename. Change the name. Let's use floor plan. The second one, let's use upper floor plan, roof plan, front elevation. Repeat this process for all the sheets. Step 3. Place your floor plan on the sheet. Now first of all, open the sheet. Now go back to your floor plan in the project browser. Scroll down here. Here is the floor plan, the ground floor plan. Click and drag it onto your sheet. Okay. Place it. Try to centralize it properly. Presentation matters a lot. Let's open the next one. Go to upper floor plan, drag it, place on the title block. Let's place the roof plan. Place the front elevation. Repeat the same process for all the views. This is how real architectural drawings are presented. Step 4. Adjust scale and clean layout. Let's start from the first sheet. Select it, activate view, confirm the scale. You can adjust the scale here. Set it properly. Always fix the alignment, spacing, and overlapping views. A clean layout equals professional output. Right click, deactivate view. Now select the view and hide it. Do the same thing for the upper floor. Select it, hide element. Step 5. Fill the title block. Now click on the title block, select it, edit family, fill in the important details. Here you can add the location of the project, select the text, create similar. Now let's type any address. Now name of client, you can write anything, John Paul. Consultant, your company name, write it here, May 2026. Fill in the name of the person that designed it, the person that sketched the design, and the architect that checked the design. The scale 1:100. Now the sheet number, include it. This is what makes it look like a real construction document. When you're done, load into projects. If there is anything you do not understand, or if you have any question, drop it in the comments section. I will attend to it. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to the channel. Step 6. Print or export PDF. Select File, Export, PDF. If you want to print only this sheet, the current window, choose this. But if you want to print multiple sheets, check selected views. Click on this pen icon. Scroll down to sheets. Here we have the sheets. Select any of them that you want to print. If you want to edit the print order, click here. For example, if you want to move the front elevation to the top, you can choose to move it to the top. Just like that. When you are okay with it, click OK. Click select. Now the file name, you can insert any name of your choice to save the PDF. Now location, where you want to save the project. You can save it in document or the desktop. Let me use desktop. Now page size, select here. If you are using A3, select A3. If it's A2 or A1, select any of them. Now we have the zoom or fit to page. You can always leave it in fit to page. But if there is any need to zoom it, you can click the zoom, then enter the figure right here. For these other ones, you can keep it at the default. Click export. Let's open it. We have the PDF here. Now your Revit drawing is ready to submit, print, or share with clients. If your sheet doesn't look good, don't panic. Just fix the scale, alignment, spacing. Small adjustments make a big difference. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Revit tutorials. You can support the channel with the thanks button below. Every little bit helps in making more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.